Welcome back, everybody. This is going to be a very short tutorial about how to enter a transaction. And it's going to be short simply because you've already learned how to do it in Test Drive. We're just going to add one more feature. So you will come back to your transaction page and recall the upper left, there is a transaction tab. And then in the upper right where the arrow is pointing to, you will just click New Transaction to open up a new transaction. Now here's the difference between this and the test drive. Here we ask you whether you want this transaction to be private or not. Now what does private mean? Private means that you will have a transaction and you will be seeing all of the steps and actions, but only you see it. It's private between you and Quigler. You're not sharing it with any of your clients. This is your choice. If you choose private to me, then not only will they not see that you're doing it, but they will not get any of the notifications. And that's fine. You just may want to use Quigler as a private mentor or guide, keeping you on track. If you would like them to see it, then you click Shared with my client. Now, if you do click Share with your client, you're going to get, the client is going to get an invitation like this, and it basically will put your name first and has invited you into a transaction, and all they do is click Create Account in blue on the bottom, and they will then go into Quigler and they will find there the account that you just set up for them. Then we're going to go and do this, just what we did before. We're going to enter a transaction type, seller or buyer. Now, however, you're going to add your client info. Now, if you are keeping this private, we still urge you to add your client info. Why? Just for organizational purposes. You want to know that this transaction is 123 Main Street and that one is 234 Elm Street and so forth, or these are the Smiths and these are the Joneses. So this is purely for yourself if it's private, but it helps you to organize your transactions. And then you're going to once again tell us the type of property, a single family, condo, co-op, multifamily. You're going to put in where it is located in the US. The state is extremely important. And then you click Finish. And you are done. And now you see that your test drive transaction is on your dashboard in gray, and the white one is an actual invitation pending, and that one is a transaction that you have now entered with the seller and the address and so forth there. That is it. Now your transaction dashboard is going to come to look like this over time. You're going to have lots of different transactions. You may have condos, co-ops, single families. You notice it on the left. And then if you also notice on the far right where it says steps and actions, it will tell you you've completed 1 of 11, 3 of 11, 5 of 11. And as you complete each step properly, you're going to get a grade. So this way you can instantly look on your transaction dashboard. Everything's there. You know what grade you're getting, which of the transactions you need to go and do more with, which ones you're close to completion on, and you are organized and transparent, and you've got everything that your client wants. Now, if you need help, just remember to go back out to the home page. That is Quigler.com, NAR code, and at the very top there is Get Help. And as you'll see, the very first piece of help is a tutorial. That's it.